Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check watch history on Facebook Lite. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So the start of you just need to open your Facebook account on Facebook Lite application. Yes, so this is my profile, you can see here, and you just have to click on the top right bottom, the three dots here, and from here you just have to click on view your profile, and now the three dots here. Here you can see all the option here, account status archive, and you just have to click on the third option called activity log, and just scroll down and you can see logged action and other activities. You just have to click on the list button, and here you just have to go on the video you watched. So now this is my history videos I watched on Facebook till now. So this is the way how you can check watch history on Facebook Live. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.